Today is one of my favorite of all time holidays. It's Apple Pie Day. What could be more patriotic and delicious than that? And you know the phrase, as American as apple pie. But the apple pie didn't actually originate in America. So you have to wonder, when did this delicious dessert become considered American? Even though the apple pie wasn't created in America, it was one of the first desserts to be made here. To try to distance themselves from the British culture where the apple pie was invented, the pilgrims started using the crust recipe from the Dutch and the German immigrants. After filling it with apple slices, they created the first American apple pies. A recipe for apple pie was even included in the first known American cookbook, American Cookery. The best way to celebrate today is, of course, eating apple pie. And I would add some ice cream. Where do you get your apple pie? You have your own family's secret recipe for apple pie, or do you buy your favorite at some grocery store somewhere? Let me know in the comments. This is Chuck Wilson with Century 21, and if you have any real estate questions, be sure to DM me.